Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the OnlyFans application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you search for the OnlyFans application on the iOS App Store, then you will unfortunately not be able to find the application. So in order to download the application, just go ahead and open up your web browser on your device. Now in the address bar, just type in onlyfans.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official OnlyFans website. Now just tap on the Options tab right here. From here, just scroll down and then tap on Add to Home Screen. You can now name the application shortcut and then tap on the Add button. And then you will see the OnlyFans application on your home screen. You can simply tap on this to open it up and log into your account to use the OnlyFans application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the OnlyFans application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also go the extra mile and ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.